Hi everyone, it's Victor here once again and welcome to Victor's Tiny Kitchen where we cook Filipino favorites and more. And for today, let me share with you how to make remoulade or tartar sauce. You know, tartar sauce is pretty common, especially for people who love to eat fish. And this can easily be found in supermarkets or grocery stores. But what could be better than making your own tartar sauce? You know exactly what's in it and it's going to be delicious. The ingredients are easy to find wherever you are in the world, and it's easy to make. So let's get started. And the first thing that I'm going to do here is to recook my sauteed shrimp paste. It's already cooked, but it's been in the bottle for many weeks or so, and so I need to recook it. And so in my pan here that is already nice and hot, I'm going to add about a teaspoon or tablespoon here of olive oil. And then to this I'm going to add my sauteed shrimp paste, and I'm going to spread it in my pan here and then cook this for at least 2 minutes. And by the way, you can also use shrimp paste or anchovy for this one. Just make sure that you cook them. Now this one is cooked and good to go. I'm going to transfer this one to a small bowl here, and now we can proceed to the next step. Now in my bowl here I have 2 cups of mayonnaise, and to this I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of minced dill. This is pickled dill, by the way. And then to this I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of minced pineapple chunk. And then about 1 tablespoon here of minced white tip of my scallions. And then I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons here of finely minced onion, together with 1.5 tablespoons here of finely minced celery. I like to have some kind of chunky bites in my tartar sauce, and my vegetables here are going to give me that luxury. And then to this I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and my 2 tablespoons of recooked sauteed shrimp paste. And to this I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. My lemon juice and pineapple here are going to provide that tanginess that I need in my tartar sauce. And before I forget, I'm going to add about a tablespoon here of mustard. And I'm going to give this a really good mix. And I'm going to taste it for salt. Salt is good, but I'm going to need about a teaspoon here of white sugar. And I'll give it a final mix. And I'll give it a final taste here. Wow, this is really so good. Now this is a lot of tartar sauce or remoulade here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer some of them into my serving jar. Now this is my serving jar here, and it's filled with my remoulade or tartar sauce, and I'm going to use this layer for my fish. And over here is my storage jar for the rest of my tartar sauce. What you could also do is to buy yourself some inexpensive jars in the supermarket and then make yourself some remoulade or tartar sauce. And if you make a lot, you can also give some of them to your friends. Like, give your friends with your tartar sauce, especially that Christmas is just around the corner. I know your friends would love this for sure. And what I'll do is to clean up the mouth of my jar here and then close it with my sealed lid here. And I'm gonna put this in the fridge. That's it. Hi guys, I'm back here with my final product, my remoulade or tartar sauce. So I have made a lot of them. So the other half, I put it in my jar, serving jar here. And then the other half, I put it in my storage jar. I will put it in my fridge and then use it for later. Normally I would buy a lot of mayonnaise and they just go to waste because I forget to use them or I don't use them at all. And now that I have this idea of making remoulade, they'll never go to waste anymore. So it's so simple to make, guys. I hope you will give it a try. And for those of you who haven't yet, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching today. I hope to see you on my next video. Bye for now.